If you have not been here before, I am Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15 children, some of who are jumping on the bed as we speak. And today we are going to go grocery shopping for those people. But we have two separate households right at the moment, while our youngest son, who is baby number 15, is in the pediatric NICU. So we are shopping for two households. So I will show you what we are getting. We really focus on whole, real foods. So most of the foods that we have are whole, real foods. Some people ask me like what we eat. Mainly, we eat bears. It's my 2-year-old. Who's about ready to attack me. So mainly we eat real food, so that's fruit and vegetables and meat, and the least amount of processing possible, but it's real life, right? And we have a really busy, crazy schedule, and it's really crazy to do this for two separate households. So come along with us today, and I hope you enjoy some of us shopping.
Pull the carriage. Now we have it.
You unlocked it.
It's our carriage now. You can pull the carriage.
She's like...
You need to. Ready?
That was silly, huh? Alright, let's see. Let's see. You want some strawberries? Let's see what ones look good. One. Do you want to get it? Or you want to push? One. Two. Grapes? Yes? No? Yeah? That's a good price too. These are berries. One. Two. Whoa. So we had a little bit of a blueberry explosion on the floor, but now we're deciding to buy some grapes after we cleaned that up. So I grabbed a few bags of grapes. They're actually really good for being this time of year. I don't know if it's really off season. I think grapes are usually like November, but they were really good. So we grabbed some bags. I got 3 bags of those, 1 for Ronald McDonald and 2 for Wells House. Grabbed a bunch of bananas, splitting those up between the two houses because bananas are cheap and easy. And I don't do too much for the Wells House because of the type 1, we only usually do like half a banana if somebody younger is going to have that because they're so high carb, or ask them if they want to choose a different type of snack that they could have like the whole fruit of, or half a banana. So oranges, the price on these oranges are absolutely wonderful. So I wanted to grab some. Normally I get those little cuties at the store, but the price on these was great. So we'll just either peel them or cut them up. I like to tend to like cut them into little wedges and then have them just ready for the kids. I cannot wait to get back into a house and prep the fruit and veggies for the week. Isn't she such a sweetie? And there is so many good deals. I just want to like grab everything, honestly, because I'm so used to the higher prices. So I decided to get some lettuce for the people at the Wells House. I still had some salad bags at Ronald McDonald House for the other children, adults, you know, all those people, and decided to grab some cucumbers as well. We needed them for both places, so I got 4. 1 will be for Ronald McDonald, and then 3 will be for the other house. I was basically doing a lot of fruit and vegetables because, yeah, we needed fruit and vegetables. Didn't really need it, but yeah, thought it would be a surprise for them to be able to just have some fresh fruits and vegetables over all canned stuff. So here we go. I'm just looking around. I'm like, what sounds good? What's the good price? So grab some carrot sticks. Those are always a favorite snack. I love to just use fruits and vegetables as a snack. If you are looking for snack ideas and you're feeling like, I take so much time just making snacks all the time, just get fruits and vegetables. Find the cheap fruits and vegetables, usually like carrots, celery, apples, bananas, yeah, whatever is on sale. Just get whatever is on sale, and then it's just fruit or fruit and protein. We do a lot of like apple and peanut butter, or fruit and a cheese stick, or a slice of cheese, or cream cheese, or something like that. So usually like fruit and a protein is just a quick go-to. It's so nutritious and it's worth it. It makes life so much easier. So here I was getting some bread for the Wells house, for them to throw in the freezer. So we got the gluten-free bread. They liked that one. I tried it before. I had just gotten, I think, 1 or 2 last time for both households to try. And then this right here tastes like the Dave's bread, this organic bread, and it's less than the Dave's bread is. So yeah, just grabbed a couple of those. Once I'm back home, I can decide about bread again. And then I got one keto-friendly bread for them. And then that looked good. Although, you know, sometimes I wonder, like, why do I buy these things? I'm not the one who's actually eating them. So here are some onions for the Wells house. And then we like this Tuscany type trail mix. It's low carb. It makes a good snack. If you haven't been prepared, or if you're going someplace else, we can just put it in baggies and then bring it with us. Corn tortillas are really inexpensive here, and they are great. We use them instead of taco shells a lot of times, because if we do that, then the people who have type 1, they can always use the Quest chips. Seems to do better with their blood sugar. So if we have those on hand, then we could do some of both. But they are just great. My nurse, she gave me this recipe for red lentil dip that they put corn chips in. I have to try it. I cannot wait to try it. So some saltines here just in case people are sick. We used our supply last time. Then I was debating if I wanted to buy meat. We do not have any chicken at either of the houses. We have it way up in Maine. We have the whole chickens that we have just butchered, but we don't have chicken. So I decided that I kept like going around like, do I want it? Don't I want it? Should I grab drumsticks? You know the drill. So I ended up getting some. And then I said, let's get 4 hamburgers, because the Ronald McDonald house, I needed to grab hamburger, and I wasn't sure how it was going to look if I was going back to the Wells house. Anyhow, we definitely needed cheese. This is one thing that I did not prepare in my budget last time, and it put me over budget, but the prices were good. We are going to throw some of this cheese in the freezer as well. So I got 3 mozzarellas and then 3 of the cheddar cheese. And what we'll do is I would bring I brought 1 each to the Ronald McDonald house. That will last them the whole month. And then I did the other 2 to the Wells house, and they would throw some of that in the freezer. And then we got cheese. Some of this is just for my husband to have sandwiches. And then I had him pick some lunch meat, and it wasn't bologna this time, guys. So just stacking up. We use cheese sticks a lot. Don't tell anyone. I'm on YouTube, so of course everyone's going to know we use cheese sticks. But it is something that's just a quick and easy snack, and it's one of those snacks that I don't have to count, because cheese sticks don't have carbs. So if they say they're hungry, it's just something that I can like throw there and not have an issue with. So we grabbed some butter and some yogurt. I ended up getting a whole case of yogurt. I was trying to decide what to get for yogurt. I was going to grab that one, and then that was non-fat, and I don't prefer non-fat yogurt because of brain development. I'd rather have full fat type things. So these ones here are actually full fat Greek. So we grabbed those. And then eggs. Oh, the eggs. We decided to go with organic. Organic was not that much more than the regular eggs. So we decided to get our allotment of 2 dozen eggs. Might as well get them while you can get them, right? So we got our 2 dozen eggs, which is so sad because our chickens would be laying this time of year. Anyway, different life, guys. Different life for the moment. So I ended up grabbing some broccoli florets. I got 6 of those all together. Those are just great. Baked potatoes and cheese is a quick and easy one, or just to throw as a side for a different vegetable. Walking down the aisle, seeing what's where. Okay, these right here, the Prime, are about the same as the Body Armor as far as the coconut oil goes. So I grabbed some of those. Then we grabbed one cooking spray and then came back around for some beans. I got them for the Ronald McDonald's house. We've been doing those, and yeah, I was hungry, so I got those ones. Do not go shopping when you're hungry. We ended up getting cheese tortillas just for that night and a case of white rice. The beans we're going to use for the chili. So we are using the mixed bean soup as the base for the beans for the chili. So I found a bunch of gluten-free things, stacked my daughter's arm up with those, and then grabbed some chocolate chips because we were missing some, and then I had ordered some on Amazon and they were like on back order or something like that. Of course, as soon as I bought these, and they decided to deliver them. Another weird thing that happened is I tried to order toilet paper and it got returned to sender through Amazon. I don't know. Anyway, who knows? Thankfully, we ended up getting a thing of toilet paper anyway. We were fine. But it was just like, why did it get returned to sender? It said indeliverable. So, got our chocolate chips. I got 8 of the regular ones and 2 of the like mini ones. And then grabbed some sugar here. I was trying to bait on this sugar here. I went to grab it and then I realized below was just the regular non-GMO one. And so I grabbed those instead. So wanted to get some dressings, grabbed some ranch for both households. Yes, we can make it. Yes, we usually make it. But yeah, I'm here. I'm grabbing it. Grab some croutons. Grab some other croutons. I actually had the croutons a couple weeks ago and they're pretty good. Usually, like, if you buy cheap croutons, then they're stale, and they weren't. And then I just grabbed some other, I was looking to see what I personally wanted, which was kind of silly, because I was like, oh, I would like these two. And then I'm like, it will probably be eaten before I even have the opportunity to have a bowl of salad with that on it. So it really doesn't matter, but that's okay. Somebody will enjoy it. So we got some. And then I was looking to see what else there was. Peanut butter. Looked at the prices of the peanut butter and realized, oh my goodness, guys, I know that it's not the best peanut butter, but it was like $3.49 for the peanut butter. Went back and got some Catalina dressing. You also saw me get a thing of juice boxes, and those were for my daughter with type 1 diabetes, so she could have them at the other house in case she needed to bring up her sugars. So what else did we get? Oh, my daughter had requested sweet potatoes. They had run out of sweet potatoes, so I went to grab those. And then I grabbed some for Ronald McDonald as well. I had just put it. She was asking me, what does that say? So I told her it said apple, because she was trying to sound out the letters in the sign. Yeah, real life homeschooling. So grabbed some potatoes and then it made more sense and said, can you come over this side so I don't have to walk across the grocery store to put the potatoes in your cart? So we did that. Grabbed some more sweet potatoes. I think I got 6 altogether. You'll find out if you watch out the grocery haul video. Grabbed some peppers as well. And then yay, we're going to the checkout. Trying to get this all done so we can get there in time. Where is there? To go look at houses. Yes, so they are so quick at Aldi, guys, to check things out. The cashiers are so quick. They should hire some of those at other stores or have different systems at other stores, because every time I'm in there, they're so fast.